In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and safely using the built-in noise reduction effect. This is a really useful workflow if your audio has background hiss, fan noise, room noise, or any unwanted static that makes your voice harder to hear. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply the effect, learn the noise profile, and fine-tune the settings so your audio sounds cleaner and more professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into DaVinci Resolve 20 and get started. First, open your project and go to the Edit page so you can work with your audio clip directly on the timeline. Once you're there, look at the top left and open the Effects library. This is where you'll find all of the audio and video effects that you can add to your clips. Inside the Effects library, go to Audio Effects. This section contains the audio tools that let you process and improve your sound. Now find the noise reduction effect and drag it directly onto the audio clip you want to clean up. You can apply it to a voice recording, a dialogue track, or any clip that has unwanted background noise. After you've added the effect, click on the audio clip so it's selected, then open the inspector. The inspector is where you'll see the controls for the effect you just applied. In the Effects section, look for Noise Reduction. This is the panel where you can actually analyze and reduce the noise in your audio. Before adjusting anything, play a section of the clip that contains only background noise if possible. This part is important because the effect needs to hear what kind of noise you want it to remove. While that section is playing, enable Learn. This tells DaVinci Resolve to listen carefully and build a noise profile based on the unwanted sound it detects. After a short moment, disable Learn so it stops analyzing and begins using that noise profile on the rest of the clip. At this point, you'll want to start adjusting threshold. Threshold controls how aggressively the noise reduction is applied, so if your noise is still too noticeable, raise or lower it until the background sound is reduced without hurting the voice too much. Then move on to dry-wet. This setting helps you balance the processed audio with the original audio. If you push it too far, the voice can start to sound artificial or overprocessed, so take your time and find a natural-sounding middle ground. A good approach is to make small adjustments and keep listening as you go. You want the noise reduced, but you still want the speech to sound clear, warm, and realistic. If you remove too much noise, your audio can sound hollow or robotic, so the goal is always to clean it up without making it obvious that heavy processing was used. It can also help to loop a short section of the audio while you fine-tune the settings, because that makes it much easier to hear the difference before and after the effect. Once you're happy with the result, listen to the full clip from start to finish to make sure the reduction sounds consistent across the entire recording. If needed, go back and make tiny adjustments to threshold or dry-wet until everything feels balanced. And that's it. You've now learned how to reduce noise in DaVinci Resolve 20 using the noise reduction effect. This is one of the easiest ways to improve audio quality, especially if you're working with recordings made in a noisy room or with less than perfect equipment. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides.